What's good, Fraanse Fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to travel with a lot of makeup, or how do you pack your makeup when traveling. So packing makeup is really hard. It's not really not hard. It's just figuring out the ounces and what you need and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna let you know all of that TSA rules, everything when you're gonna book your next flight or when you're traveling soon, or just something that you need to know. I'm gonna give all of that to you guys. So let's get into it.
Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and I totally have it going on.
So TSA's rules suggest that you bring 3.4 ounces or with a carry-on bag, or if you're bringing a checked bag, the bag that go under the plane, the bag that you don't have to bring on the plane, that can be over 3.4 ounces. But if you're going to bring a carry-on bag and you want to know what TSA wants, you have to bring one clear bag and it has to be 1 quart size. So we're gonna get into all of that. So 3.4 ounces is 1,000 milliliters, and that can be brought on as a carry-on, but it has to be 3.4 ounces or less. But if you're bringing a checked bag, and again, that's the bags that go under the plane, that can be over 3.4 ounces. So to start off, I would suggest that you go get a TSA approved bag. Okay, when I went to California in May, I went into Ulta. Ulta is like beauty heaven. It's also a place where you can get really everything beauty. If you've never been to Ulta, I would suggest going. They have makeup, hair products, everything, girl, like everything. So I went into Ulta and I was like, look, I need like a toiletry bag. And everyone knows that a toiletry bag is this like clear bag that you can really put everything into. So I got this good old bag at Ulta. I'm not sure if you guys can see it with the light shining. And this was $10 at Ulta, and it fit, y'all. It fit everything. Okay. So most makeup bottles are standard TSA sizes, but you really have to check. Well, no, they're not really it all depends. So I put this into my checked bag because my plane was booked. Like I was going to LA and my plane was like super booked, so I had to put all my bags under the plane, which was cool because I didn't really have to worry about going through baggage check and all that, and then be like, what you got in your bag? We ain't about to. But this is this is a TSA approved size because you can only bring one clear bag of stuff. Okay. So you gotta be sure that this is good enough. You also wanna keep in mind, if your foundation is over that, you wanna make sure that you get travel size bottles. Those can be found at Walmart, any drugstore, and you can pour your makeup into that. Now, if you don't wanna do that, you're like, I ain't pouring my makeup in a nut, then you can bring this on as a check bag and put it in your suitcase, and it fits really well. I have a carry-on suitcase, and so it's really small, and I packed all my stuff and I set this on top and I closed the bag, and y'all, it was everything. So this is what I bring when I'm driving places. This is what I bring when I'm like on the road and I'm not packing stuff like this. They just gonna get everything. This is what I bring when I'm just rolling. This would probably have to be checked in under the plane. If you were to just, like, if you are a makeup artist and you're traveling for somebody, then okay, girl, do your thing. But they will not let you on the plane with this because it's probably gonna have too many fluid ounces of makeup and it's just gonna be a hassle to get on the plane. So I'm going to show you guys how I pack, or what I pack into this bag, and how great it fits and everything. Because as you can see in the front, You can pack the little canister kind of things that has a lipstick symbol, a spray symbol. So you can bring stuff like that. And it says that it says easy holds, makeup jars, compacts and tubes, travel size toiletries, nail polish, implements, and more. And also, if anything spilled in this bag, it never got on my clothes. So this is a really, really good buy. I'm just being honest. So if you're wondering, well, what the heck is 3.4 fluid ounces? So this is a Listerine bottle that I actually used on my trip to LA. These can be bought in Walmart, or you can buy it, empty it out, and put what you need into it. But they also sell travel size bottles, so you don't have to worry about it. And they're TSA standard. You don't have to say, well, let me measure it and see. No, this is pretty much, this is actually less than what you need, because it's 3.4, so this is 3.2. I also brought this little makeup bag, and this actually went on the plane. I made sure not to really include much of like liquids in here. I think I put my foundation, I think I put a lot of my makeup brushes in here, and then like lipsticks and stuff. I tried not to include all the liquids because I didn't really want to get bothered going on the plane and measuring and all that. So this is something that I use every night. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off. And so as you can see, this is over, I don't know if you can see it. This is over 3.4 ounces. This is actually 3.8. So I knew that when I was going through the airport, they would have told me, girl, you're gonna have to go sit down somewhere. So I didn't even want to, this costs too much for me to be throwing away, because a lot of stuff, if it's over the amount, they will make you trash it, and y'all, that is not cool. I've seen people have to throw away cologne and all. You know how expensive that stuff is. So I was not about to play with them. Okay. So it does fit into this, and like I said, for the 100th time, I did bring this as a checked bag. I didn't bring this on the plane. So this is how I packed my stuff. I had my Take the Day Off here. I just switched over my foundations from Fenty Beauty to Becca. So I'm going to show you how the Becca would fit. They're about the same size. So I'm going to show you how the Becca would have fit in here. And then we have, I'm not sure if you guys can see with the glare. I'll try to keep it back. And then I put, there was something else I put in here. So like if I were to put my makeup powder in here, or my setting powder, it fits really well. Boom. Then you have your primer. Boom. Or you can actually fit it behind the foundation, honestly. I'm trying to remember how I packed everything. You have your concealer. Boom, that can fit. And then you have your fixing spray. This is actually less than 3.4 fluid ounces. So this would have been good to go actually on the plane. Then, so as you can see, you can fit a good bit in here. Like you can really fit a good bit. I think that's everything that I packed in here. I feel like I packed something else. It probably was, no, I had my cleanser and I put that in here as well. And that's something that I put on my face every night, but I don't have that. It's in the bathroom. So, but you can get a good idea of what all can fit in here. And like I said, this was $10 at Ulta. They have a section for the makeup bags and everything like that. So, I think this is a pretty sturdy, cute little bag. And if you're traveling soon, I would suggest looking into it. They have bags at Walmart, but I was like, my thing about cheap bags is like you go and get those cheap toiletry bags and then the zipper break before you could even get on the plane. So I don't have time for that. So I wanted to get a travel bag that looked really, really good. Something that I could really, really use over and over and over again. And you could even use this when you're traveling. If you're a minimalist, somebody that doesn't really want to pack all this stuff, this is a way to go too. And if you're a man, this works as well. You can put your deodorant, your toothbrushes, your cologne. You can put all that stuff in here. But just make sure it's under 3.4 fluid ounces. Okay? So I wanted to read something from TSA so you guys have a little bit more information. It says that, because people are probably confused on, well, what is considered a liquid. Remember I told you guys that my Take the Day Off will be considered? this will be considered like this will be considered a liquid, even though it's like a creamy kind of thing. This will be considered a liquid. So this is my concealer that would still be considered. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this to you guys from TSA. It says, this includes cosmetics in liquid form such as eyeliner, nail polish, foundation, and moisturizer. So you're like, well, I brought eyeliner. That's not gonna, no, they're gonna check that, girl. They're gonna check it. It said it also includes perfume. The rule states that any liquid must be in a resealable container that is 3.4 ounces or less, and that all containers must fit in one clear plastic resealable 1 quart size bag per passenger. So don't think that you can just stuff everybody's stuff up in here and then that's a good day. Get one for you, get one for your man, get one for your child, get one for your cousin, your sister, your brother. These are, I mean, it's $10, y'all. Like, and as you can see, it's a really good bag. Like, I'm not trying to like sell this bag to nobody. Like, y'all gotta get this bag, because like I said, they have some quality ones at Walmart as well. But this was only $10. I mean, just trying to put y'all on game. I mean, because you want to remember that it has to, the bag has to be 1 quart size. It has to be 1 quart size of clear plastic. So don't say, well, I'm gonna just bring whatever bag that. No. They're gonna say it has to be 1 quart of clear plastic. Okay, that's why they make these kind of bags, because that's what TSA wants. So don't go in the airport thinking that you know you gonna be special and they not. They've made me throw lotion away before, y'all. Lotion. And different airports are different, so you really gotta stay on your toes, because flying from New Orleans to LA, there was some stuff that New Orleans didn't notice that LA noticed. They noticed everything. So you gotta make sure you follow these rules, because you will be throwing away some of your best stuff, and I'd be damned if I throw away some of my expensive makeup, because that Becca foundation alone is $44. So I'd be damned. How many fluid ounces is my foundation? That's a good question. So the Becca foundation is, gosh, how do they expect somebody to read this? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's 1 fluid ounce. So that's what it says. I hope that's accurate. 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. So like I said, TSA, it has to be 3.4 ounces. And that's even with this take the day off, because y'all like, well, that's not a liquid. But still, they gonna still check this, and it has to be 3.4 fluid ounces. Like, they're not, y'all, they're not playing. So if you're someone that doesn't want to buy a bag and you're just like watching this video and you're actually packing right now, go and just get you a clear Ziploc bag. I've seen people put stuff in Ziploc bags and they would pack their makeup up kind of like this, but it would be in a Ziploc bag. But it's totally up to you. But just if you're putting your stuff near your clothes, it's best to really get something that's durable, something that's gonna seal everything, because you don't want to go to your friend's wedding or anniversary or anywhere and your stuff is all spilled over your clothes. That's not gonna be cute, and that's not gonna be fun. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope these TSA rules, and I hope anything that I told you guys in this video helped you out. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching. If you have any more questions about what to pack, how to pack, please comment those questions below. I love commenting back to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top. Also, too, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the bottom of this video, so every time I post a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any more questions about TSA or how to pack cosmetics for your next trip, comment those questions below and I'll get back to you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure to click here or here for the next video, and make sure to subscribe so that you're always in the loop of the next video.